Hi and welcome to our video on medical intake forms. My name is Kat and I am a Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how you can use our intake form template within your healthcare practice. Before we begin, let's touch base on what an intake form is. Intake forms are used in the healthcare industry to gather vital information about a patient prior to treatment. Although these forms can vary, they often contain personal details, personal and family medical history, and insurance information. This data allows practitioners to make informed clinical decisions that are in the best interests of their clients. On the right side of this screen, you'll see a screenshot of what our medical intake form looks like. It's separated into 6 different sections. At the top is the patient information section. This gathers personal details, including the name, date of birth, address, and contact details of the patient. Underneath that, the form includes an emergency contact section. Next is the health and medical information, including the primary care physician and any current diagnoses or medications that the patient may have. Underneath that is an insurance section, which helps the practice pre-validate insurance providers prior to the first session with a new client. Second to last is an employment status section. And then finally, there is an area for the patient or for their guardian to date and sign the intake form. Here is an example of what the medical intake form template looks like when it has been completed. Feel free to pause the video at any time to take a closer look. Also access the medical intake form from within the Carepatron platform. As you can see right now, we're in the calendar section. If you click down below on the templates tab, you'll be taken to the resource library. In order to see all of the available resources, you should filter by community templates. From here, you can also plug in keywords to help filter your search. When you've found the template that you want to work with, simply click on the blue Choose Template icon and then assign a patient to the note. Once you're in the Draft tab for the note, you can make the relevant changes by clicking anywhere on the screen. After you have completed the intake form, you just have to click on the Publish button and it will save the form securely.